was looking at one small part of the Martian surface, as you see in those colored stripes, with radar. Radar could look underneath the surface. It could sort of penetrate the surface of Mars. And what they found was actually kind of interesting. Here's a sort of graph showing you what they found. The top line there, the top white line, is the surface of Mars, but then the radar echoes continue to bounce from different layers under the surface of Mars. And then they hit that layer, which has been emphasized with blue color. And what is that? Well, nobody's absolutely sure, but it looks like there's a layer of liquid water under the surface of Mars, just as there's liquid water under, the surface of wherever you live. If you drill a kilometer or two deep, well, long before you get that deep, you're going to hit a lot of water, right? And there seems to be water under the surface of Mars. So there could be life down there, microbial life, microbes, things like bacteria and so forth. But we don't know because nobody has been able to actually look that deep yet on Mars. But Mars is not the only place nearby where there might be life. Here is, you see Mars on the left there, but the rest of these things are, well, Venus, the bottom right. Some people think there might be life in the clouds of Venus. But the rest of these things are moons of Jupiter and moons of Saturn that also have liquid water under the surface. The surface, in many cases, is just a whole lot of ice. Europa is covered by ice, 10 or 20 kilometers thick. But underneath there is an ocean that's bigger than all the oceans of the Earth put together. So there might be some life down there. But that's not so much the most interesting thing for me, in any case. This little diagram, which looks kind of confusing because it is, this diagram shows some of the planets that have been found around other stars other than the sun.